Okay, thank you. Ayun sa ating ni... So, good evening to everyone. How are you today? I hope you are in good health and good condition. So, I am already 1 month here in Philippines since I left Korea. So, I miss Korea. So, today I'm going to share about Atomi's marketing and compensation plan. Ayon sa Jangnim, would you please share my PPT?
Okay. Mhm.
Start with Atomy marketing. The
Okay.
second page, Atomy marketing and compensation plan. That some more. And maybe the second slide. Second slide. Start. Mm.
Here?
No, maybe the second slide or third slide in my picture.
Here?
Uh, no, the title.
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 Okay.
Oh yeah.
Sorry.
After the compensation plan. After the company motto. Number two slide. Maybe you go back. Because I cannot use my laptop. There's a problem, and then I'm only using my. Okay.
In here.
Okay, that's right.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
Kensya na yo. Okay. Okay. So tonight we are going to discuss about the Atomi's marketing and compensation plan. Okay, I have to little bit faster on this part because I have maybe a long pages of PPT. Okay, next slide please. Okay, so I'm Richard Mahinay, sales master from Philippines. So thank you so much for this opportunity to share about our atomic compensation plan. So always remember that our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. So we need to have a courageous heart and never give up in doing our business. Maybe some of you encounter maybe problem, difficulties, and challenges. Always put in your hearts, in your mind, not to give up. So never give up on that. Okay, so next slide. Of course, our founder, Atomi's founder and CEO is Hangul Park. He founded Atomy June 1, 2009 here, there in South Korea. Okay, so, and now it's global. Okay, next slide, please. So our CEO recognized as the most respected CEO in Korea, and he receives lots of award being CEO in our Atomy company. Okay, next slide, please. So our Atomis vision from our CEO, Atomis management goal number one is the consumer's success. Consumer satisfaction, of course, beyond that is a consumer's success. Okay, next slide. So Atomy is a customer-centered management. Stand with the customers, not against them, for the sake of the company. So this is the heart of our company, that all the customer are become successful, and we are the center of this management, that all of us will experience financial freedom. Next slide, please. So our Atomis principle is about absolute quality and absolute price. We call that mastige, from the word mass plus prestige. That our product are all in high quality, but it is affordable out in the market. So being able to provide prestige quality to the mass market. Next slide, please. So why choose Atomy online shopping platform? So because it's very easy, right? It's global and it's very easy and accessible. So just using your handphone, using your laptop, your gadget, so you can access your business globally. Okay, so next slide, please. So why you choose Atomy? Because it's free, no registration fee. So once you join the business, so no starter package, no website usage fee, and no sales obligation. Of course, here in Atomy, once we join and decided to be part of this business, your expenses will become an income. So your expenses turn into an income. Okay, that's good, right? That's why join now. Okay, next slide, please. And why we join Atomy? Because of the opportunity to have a financial freedom. If we do the hard work here in Atomy, if you give your 100%, okay, not no doubt, and you give your all, your best, and your best time to do your business, I believe you will receive a lot of income and you will experience a financial freedom. Okay, next slide, please. Of course, why we choose Atomy? Because can be inherited up to third generation. There's a good thing here in our business in Atomy. Our business can be inherited to the next generation, especially in our family, up to the third generation. That's good news. Okay, so next slide, please. And of course, once we join the Atomy, you have a global online shopping mall. So with one code, one server, and it's global. So you can access globally our business by using our one ID and one server. Okay, so it is an opportunity given to all. So we are given equally, so that's a good thing here in Atomy because the requirements here in Atomy is our heart in doing the business and our effort and hard work. Of course, we need to use our time wisely. Okay, next slide, please. Of course, our company, total global sales is 2.2 trillion won in 2021. It's a high sale in the global market. So our company are being accumulate all this income globally with 2.2 trillion won. Wow, it's a big. Okay, right? Okay, next slide, please. And notice here the ratio of return, a refund request is very low. So it means that our product, our company's product are all high quality and people love to use it because the return rate of the products is very low compared to other companies. So Atomy's product are being loved and purchased by many people around the world. Okay, next slide, please. And of course, our flagship product like Still Active Skincare receive King Sejong Award. So it means that our product are in high quality and being recognized and receive the award here in Korea or there in Korea as one of the best skincare, okay, out in the market. Okay, next slide, please. Of course, Atomy is a global network marketing company with direct selling operations in 27 regions worldwide as of December 2023. So including Korea, since it was established, Atomy has grown rapidly. Wow, that's great. So it means that our company is so growing well and many people love the products and purchase, okay, and use products regularly. So Atomy has grown rapidly, no? With consumer-centered network marketing in more than 50 countries that strictly upholds its Hangul Park's principle of absolute quality and absolute price. Okay, next slide, please. So that's the countries being established and global branches. So there you can see on the screen. So I'm not going to read everything there because there are about 27, and I think there are new other branch will be opened soon. Okay, it will be 28 branches around the world. So it means that our company is growing rapidly. Wow, that's so great, right? Okay, next slide, please. And we have about more than 16 million members. Okay, had to establish a total of 7 branches, including Americas, Asia, Europe, and headquarters in Korea. Meaning that many people joined Atomy Business, right? Okay, next slide, please. Of course, our company manufacturer is Colmar. So it means that our company is in high quality because it's in line with the global well-known companies as well, like L'Oreal, Case, and many others, like Chanel, so Etude, and many more. So it means that our company and the product that we have was manufactured by Colmar with its global clients. So we are in line with those prestige and high quality products. Okay, next slide, please. And of course, in our company, we also give emphasize on the culture of sharing, helping each other. So our company helping those who are in need around the world. So because that's also very important, and our CEO emphasized on that and giving the importance of the values of sharing. Even also in our partners and sponsors, they're giving also sharing with PBs and helping each other to grow the business. We are not competing each other, but we are helping as business partners, our sponsors and partners. So we are helping each other, and that's the culture of sharing here in Atsumi. Okay, next slide, please. So the question here, how to earn in Atomy. So because why we joined the business? Because we want to earn. But how? Okay, autoke. So how to earn? So there are uh, 3 points or 3 stages on how we earn here in Atomy. So if you have any other idea, but I as I joined in this business, I saw 3 uh, on how to earn in Atomy. Number 1, you must have to join as business partner. So if you do not join, you cannot earn. So if you only consumer, so you cannot earn. You only earn PB, but you cannot receive the commission. So you must have to join as business partner. Okay, so I hope all of you already joined as business partner. Okay, so and then number 2, of course, is very important to buy and use Atomy products regularly. Okay, that's very important because that's the heart of the business, that we ourselves buy and use Atomy products regularly. So mark that word, that is regularly, not just yearly, but as often as you buy, no? So, and then number 3, you have to grow your lineage. Add more people on your line. So add more, and more. So that's how we can earn more here in Atomy. Okay, so next slide, please. Of course, all our products, there are about 600 products, but there are some products, especially here in the Philippines, that are not yet available. So we have health products, skincare, cosmetics, hair and body, home care, food, lifestyle, and many others. Because we have also Aja Mall wherein we can buy and purchase products in Atomy, and we can also earn PB. So there are many products. You can choose what you want. Okay, so that's important, very important, because that's how we grow and earn in Atomy. Okay, next slide, please. Of course, as I've said, that's I know you already joined the business. Of course, the second way on how to earn is, of course, to buy and use Atomy products. Me myself, I proudly say that I purchase, I buy regular products. So aside from there in my picture, I have all of my products here. I have here Absolute. Okay. I have the Absolute products. So I just to show to you a little bit, because not just on the picture, but I have physically here, I have here the Fame. Okay. So I have here, and then because I love the products, the cosmetics, I have also here evening care set. Okay. And with this one. So no, so the booster. Okay. So and many others. I have toothpaste. So just I show you to. I have lots of products here. I have Hemuhim. Okay. So and then a lot of product here that we can accumulate. So I have also we call this Hemuhim shot. Okay. So and many others. So just I show you that I really love Atomy products because that's how we earn PB and have our income. Use and buy Atomy products regularly. So I have many, and then I have balm. So all of these, so a lot, no? So I have shampoo. So I have here, and then body wash. Okay, so I have here Root Vital shampoo. So I have here, just I show you how I really like, and then herbal hair shampoo. So many. Okay, so I'm not going to show you all. So what I have, so not just in the picture that I show you in the screen. So I really love the product. So I model that because we are the model of the Atomy products. If you notice, there are no endorser in our company because the principle of our CEO is that the payment for those endorser will be given to the consumer or the business partner. So we are the one to model the products that we have. Okay, so all the business partner. Okay, next slide, please. So that's how I show you all that I'm using all the products. Okay, so that in the screen. So I don't know how's that model. So so that we are using the products regularly. So me myself, I really love the products of Atomy. I hope you too. Okay, so next slide, please. Of course, as we continue to use the products, we accumulate the so-called PB, means the point value. All the products in Atomy have equivalent PB, like for example, the toothpaste, and then here in Philippines, the amount is 830, and you will have 3,500 PB. So that be accumulated to your ID, and then you will receive that afterwards to become an income. So it's very easy, right? Remember how to have income in Atomy? Of course, be join as a business partner. Number two, you have to buy and use the products regularly. And of course, number three is to grow your line. Okay? Like next slide, please. Like for example, here in our the flagship also the product of Atomy is Hemuhim, which receive lots of award and recognized as one of the best product. Okay, so Hemuhim. So I have also here Hemuhim. I showed you a while ago. So it's good for our health. It boosts our immune system. So we can learn that about the Hemuhim. Yeah, also, something name have himuhim. Sa Chinimayon, okay. So it's good. You always drink himuhim. I really love himuhim because it gives us energy and boost our immune system. Plus the himuhim shot, shot. Okay, so it's good. Okay, so you can purchase that online. Okay, next slide, please. Okay, of course, as I've said earlier, we already discussed that about the Absolute Selective Skincare. I showed you a while ago. So our Selective Skincare, which received King Sejong Award. Okay, so because it's high quality and being recognized as one of the number one best skincare from Korea. Okay, next slide, please. Of course, number three part on how to earn income, I hope you remember that first. You must have to join as business partner. Okay, number two, buy and use Atomy products regularly. Not yearly, but regularly. Okay? And then number three, of course, is very important to grow your lineage. Don't be contented that you have already 10 on your left and 10 on your right, people. So keep on growing globally. Okay? So that's why in our 8 steps to success, you have to list down all the names of the people, the prospects that you have. Maybe from different country, you have your friends. In Canada, you have your relatives in USA. So anywhere in Australia, so you can uh, let them join in your uh, line. So it means you have to grow your lineage. Okay, keep on growing. Invite people and share about Atomy because the time we reach the first level of commission, of course, you have to reach 300,000 PB on your personal, and then the second, you have your 300,000 PB on your left and 300,000 PB on your right, then you will receive an income. In Korea, you will receive 60,000 won. So in Philippines, more or less 2,500 and then less with the tax here in the government. So you will receive around 2,200 peso. So you can convert that in your own currency in your country. So that's how we have income in Atomy. Always remember the 3 steps. Maybe now you already joined the business. You are the partner of Atomy. But if you are not buying the products, I believe your business will not grow well. So all of us will keep on buying, buy, and buy, and also all your downlines. Okay, so keep on buying. Okay, now next slide, please. Of course, good thing here in Atomy because it's unlimited level of downlines. So many downlines, you grow your downlines so you can accumulate more PBs and you will earn a lot of income. Okay? So because it's unlimited level. But if you continue to join people, you must have put people straight no on your left and then straight on the right because your partner will continue to do their part on the right side. Okay, so that's how it works. Maybe your sponsor can explain that well. So you put people straight, okay, straight on your left and then straight on your right. Okay, so that's how works in Atomy, and then that's the how you will earn income more because our business in Atomy, especially the level is unlimited. Okay, so that's good thing, right? Okay, next slide, please. Of course, success is possible here in Atomy. Many sponsors that you know, especially me myself, I spent 2 years in Korea. I experienced in 2 years. I always attended the success seminar. Okay, so and I saw a lot of people being successful from sales master, okay, diamond master, so on and so forth, up to the imperial master. Remember that success is possible if you do your best. And then it follows the mastership and then the big income. So do you want a big income? So you must have a big dream and the big heart and the big time to do your best. All of those should be big. Okay? And then you have a big mindset. Okay? So to do your business. Okay? So if you want a big dream, of course you have the big the big effort, the big time to invest to do your best do your business. Okay? So next slide please. So we will talk about the mastership bonus. So we already know about this, especially those who are maybe 1 year here in Atomy, 2 years. So all of you already familiar with this. Okay, from Sales Master, Diamond Master, Sharon Rose Master, Star Master, Royal Master, Crown Master, up to Imperial Master. That's our big dream. That all of us will be there on top, because the good thing here in Atomy, we have the ceiling level of 2.4 million PB for our personal. Meaning, so all of us can reach the top. Okay? So no one can be left behind. Okay? Okay, next slide, please. Of course, being a sales master, so I know you already know about this. You will accumulate your personal PB of 700,000. And then the time for your challenge. So if you decided to challenge yourself to become sales master, so on the first cycle of the month, which is first day up to 15 of the month, and then second cycle from 16 to 30 of the month. So you have to accumulate 2.5 million PB on your left and 2.5 million PB on your right. So I became sales master last October last year. So with the help of my partners also and also my sponsors, I'm very grateful for that. So you can discuss that with your sponsors if you are ready to become a sales master, because there is a challenge on that. Okay, so you have to challenge yourself to become sales master, and then you will receive in Philippines you will receive 20,000 peso. You can in dollar, I calculated it in dollar is 340 US dollar. So it depending on the rate of the peso or the Korean won that you will receive. So this time, starting January 1, so there are no products to be given as incentives. It's all money. Okay, so no products at all. Okay, so that's how we receive here in Atomy business once we become sales master. Next slide, please. So, and then, of course, the next level is Diamond Master. Okay, so you will receive that incentives, but you have to challenge your two sales master on your left and two sales master on your right. So, for being the Diamond Master, you have to challenge those two partners on your left and two partners on your right to become sales master. That's how also I desire. I hope I can be a Diamond Master this year, because I challenged to sales master on my left, my daughter and her mother-in-law, and on my right is Miguel, and then maybe Donita and other partners there in Korea, my Filipino partners in Korea. So if you become a Diamond Master, you will receive 60,000 peso. So in dollar, it's $1,000. So you can compute that in your own currency. What country are you from? So meaning there are no products also given, because you remember before there are laptops and like that, and hemuhim, evening care set. So but now purely cash that you're given. So there are no products as part of the incentives, but are all money or cash awards. Okay. So next slide, please. So of course, the third level of mastership is Sharon Rose Master. Okay, so for you to become challenged to Sharon Rose Master, you have to encourage your downline, two of them to become Diamond Master on your left and two Diamond Master on your right. So notice there are always two. Okay, partners also become successful together with you. Okay, so and you will receive 80,000 peso here in Philippines, but in dollar is around 1,380 US dollars. So you can compute that. If you are in Korea, so you can compute in won. So if you are maybe on the other countries, so you can compute that in your own currency. But this is already in the system of Atomy. Okay, you can receive all of these and tow voucher travel for 3 nights and 4 days in Korea. So you have all of these privilege for us to travel, especially if you're from other countries, so you can travel to Korea. I think maybe in Jeju Island or in our Songnisan forest, in our Atomis Songnisan forest. So it's good also to be there and experience, okay, so the travel. Okay, so for you to become a Sharon's master. Okay, next slide, please. So, and then the next level is about you become a star master. So there are lots of promotion here in Atomy. Okay, so for you to become star master, of course, you have to challenge there below. Actually, you have it continues grow from sales master grow upward. So all of these, you have your two Sharon Rose master on your left and two Sharon Rose master on your right, and you will receive in peso is about 400,000 peso. So in dollar is about 6,944 US dollars. So you can compute that in your own currency as I said. So and then you will have travel. Okay, so voucher of 3 nights and 4 days. So as I've said, all of these are already in the system of Atomy. It's somehow like a big ocean. Okay, for you to catch fish, it's up to you. If you want to use a big net to catch a lot of fish, or if you want to use like uh, a hook, okay, and a small net. But if you want to do your best, Atomy is also generous enough to give us uh, compensation in what we are doing. Okay, so become a star master. As I've said, I saw a lot of sponsors being successful. They are now sales master and star master and many others. Okay, and then the next level, next slide, please, is the royal master. So like a royal master, our royal master Jingumi. Okay, so and many others. So as I've said, there are lots of successful sponsors in Korea and different countries of the world that are royal master. So for you to become a royal master, you have two-star master on your left and two-star master on your right, and you will receive all of these. So a lots of money. So and then you have a travel, overseas travel. So I think you have, if you are a real master, you can travel with a cruise ship, okay, a tour, okay, around Europe. Wow, that sounds good, right? You are riding in a cruise ship to travel around the world. Wow, that's so good. I think in somewhere in Europe, and they have your car rental fee. So there are lots of reward and cash award here in Atomy that we call that incentives. Aside from your commission, this only an incentives here. Okay, so next slide, please. Of course, number 6 level of mastership is the crown master. Okay, so we have a lot of crown master also. And then, of course, it's always two on your left, the royal master on your left, and then two royal master on your right, and you will receive all of these amount. So I think you will receive a big amount of like in the big box no of money. Wow, so big amount that you can receive. So in Philippines, you will receive 12 million peso. So you can translate that in your own currency. So it's a big amount. So as I've said, it's already in the system and you can receive all of these once you become a crown master. So that's our big dream as well, right? That you become crown master, and we have many crown masters already experience this kind of awards and incentives from Atomy. Okay, next slide, please. And then, of course, the last level of Imperial Master. Uh, the last level is Imperial Master. So you have two Crown Master on your left, two Crown Master on your right. So it's a big amount. So many times I saw, as I've said, I saw lots of Imperial Master every time I attended the success seminar there in Urot in Korea. So as I've said, 2 years, I always join the success seminar when I'm in Korea for 2 years. So, and it really inspires me as well because if you become Imperial Master, you will receive a lot of money. So in Philippines, you will receive a 40 million peso. So I think in Korea is 1 billion Korean won. So you can translate or compute that in your own currency. So it's a big amount. And then you have all of these there. You have car, and then vehicle payment, and then office with secretary, so on and so forth. So all of these are already in the system, and we can receive all of these. So our part is to do our best, right? So always remember, for us to become successful, there's only three. Uh, for us to have income, of course, join as business partner. The number two, buy and use Atomy products. Okay. So look at in your inside your house. Maybe you can change your product in your bathroom, so should be Atomy products. When you go inside in your bathroom, in your toilet, so all the products there should be Atomy. Okay? And in your kitchen should be Atomy, and everything should be changed, because to become successful is a change of lifestyle. Okay, next slide please. Yeah, that's how it big, because you become a royal imperial master, you will receive a lot of money. Be carried by a forklift there in Orot. Okay, so that's a big amount. You cannot carry that by yourself. That's why it carries by the forklift there. Okay, so it's a big amount. In Philippines, it's about more or less 40 million peso. Wow. So you will receive that. Maybe you become an imperial master after 10 years or 15 years in doing the business. So 15 years in a company, you cannot receive 40 million once you retire by being an employer or employee, like that, so on and so forth. So working in the company, you cannot receive, once you retire, you cannot receive 40 million peso. But here in Atomy, it's true, because there are lots of Imperial Master that already experience these CAS awards. Okay, so next slide, please. So from being a sales master up to Imperial Master, you can total all the incentives, the cost promotion. So in peso, it's about 54 million. Okay, so a big amount, right? So from sales master at 20,000, and then demon master 60,000, so on and so forth. So you can see that in your screen, that there are lots of money aside from your commission. Maybe it is weekly or daily commission. Wow, it's a big amount. So that's how great here in Atomy business. Next slide, please. And then you come Atomy Success Club. You can be part of that Auto Sales Master Club. So you can maintain your become an auto sales or within a year 12 times. Okay, so that you become auto sales master. So and then you can join also the Leaders Club with an annual salary of 4 million peso or more. So you can compute that also in your own currency. And then you can also join Royal Leaders Club with annual salary of 8 million peso. And then the Crown Leaders Club. So on and so forth. So without that, so you'd be part of this big success club here in Atomy business. Wow, that's so great, right? So next slide, please. Always remember this. If others are already on the top, maybe they are already a Royal Master, Crown Master, and then Imperial Master. If they're already there, why can't you? Why can't I? What holds you back? So it's a matter of doing your best. So only three. Be part of, you join as a business partner. Number two, buy and use Atomy products regularly. And then number three, grow your lineage. So as many as you can globally. There are a lots of people, more than 8 billion people around the world. Wow. So maybe you can search people from anywhere and be part of your lineage. and grow your line, and it's possible for you to be on top. That's why it's a challenge for all of us to be there. If they are already there, why can't you? Why can't I? Okay, next slide, please. So always remember, a small step of action every day will bring you closer to your dream than to those who do nothing. If you do nothing, it's impossible to become successful. Just a small step every day. Do it with passion and courage, and all of us will become successful. Okay, so next slide, please. And I will say, thank you. Amsamida.